Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to hide active status on your Facebook in your Android device. So for this guys, first of all, open your Facebook app like this. After opening, on the top right side of your Facebook app, you can get the messenger icon. Just tap on it. From here, on the top left side of your messenger, you can get your profile icon. Just tap on it. From here you can get the option active status. Just tap on it. From here you can easily hide your active status. If you want to hide, just disable this option. So by disabling this option, you won't able to see when your friends and contacts are active or recently active. If you want to hide, just tap on turn off. That's it. So from here you can easily hide your active status of your Facebook. So that's it for today guys. This is the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.